So I think we are live now. Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and today we are going to do the costing quiz for the SEBI grade A. Very important session. Till now we have done, I guess this is the 40th session. So I have done a lot of sessions on SEBI grade A. Link to the playlist for SEBI grade A is available in the description. If you want to see the previous sessions, previous important sessions that I have done, you can watch the playlist. The link is available in the description. So if there is any doubt in any questions, use the super chat to ask your doubts and I'm going to answer your doubts. Okay. So let's start the session. Okay, I guess we should start the session. Yep. So everything is working fine. So let's start the session. Before starting, let me tell you that I have started the SEBI Grade A 2020 course in which I am providing video classes for both phase 1 and phase 2. Based on the latest syllabus, test series is part of the course. Phase 1, phase 2 test series is included, 10 tests for each paper. Downloadable and print friendly notes are part of the course. Descriptive paper evaluation, it is separately, it's not part of the course. We charge separately for that. 9 final selections we got in 2018 out of 47 students, and join the course on bankexamstudy.com. All the links are available in the description. 90672 01000. This is my personal WhatsApp number. If there is any doubt in your mind, you can WhatsApp me. Let's start the session. Economic order quantity. First of all, give it a look. This is a very important concept in the costing. One of the most important concept in the economics, in that costing. Economic order quantity, EOQ, very important. These three terms, first of all, you need to understand. ये जान लीजिए. See, there is A, there is O, and there is C. First of all, you should understand these three terms. Annual demand or consumption. See, you are producing pens. Let's say you are producing pens, right? And to produce the pens, you need plastic. Okay. So what is your annual consumption of plastic? That is A. A is annual consumption of that plastic. Okay. So to bring the plastic from manufacturer to your plant, you need to spend money. Okay. You need to spend money on transportation, right? So you need to pay for that carriage inwards, or for unloading, right? You need to pay for that. That is ordering cost. Okay, the transportation cost, or or like whatever the cost that is really directly related to make an order, that is ordering cost. Carrying cost, to store that plastic. So now let's say you ordered 500 kg of plastic. Okay, 500 kg of plastic. Do you have the storage capabilities, that much storage capacity? Okay. So if you are storing, let's say 5000 kg of plastic, you need space for that. And if you are using more space, it has its own expenses, right? You need to pay for security. There is rent for the land, right? There are other expenses. If there are certain kind of products which needed to be stored in the refrigerators, you need to spend money on that. So that is carrying cost. So this EOQ model tells you exactly how much you should order each time you goes out of supply, right? Kitna order karna chahiye. So there is carrying cost, this is ordering cost, and this is EOQ. So cost on the y-axis, quantity, ordering quantity on the x-axis. Okay, that's how the as you buy more products. See, if you are buying just 500 kg of plastic, this is your carrying cost. If you are buying 5000 kg of plastic, obviously the carrying cost increases, right? As the number of as the quantity increases, the carrying cost increases as well, while the ordering cost reduces, right? So maybe you have one truck, you pay for the there is a truck which can carry 10,000 kg of of plastic or 5000 kg of plastic, right? But if you are ordering 500, then you need to pay, I mean, the per unit ordering cost would be high. As the quantity increases per order, the ordering cost decreases. That is per unit. What we are calculating per unit of carrying cost. The ordering cost is calculated on the basis of per unit. What is per unit ordering cost? What is per unit carrying cost? So the point at which both of them breaks, this is the EOQ point. Okay, economic ordering quantity point. So 2 AO divided by C is का total का root. This is the economic order quantity का formula. Very easy. Okay. So the question, economic order quantity is that quantity at which cost of holding and carrying inventory is maximum and equal, minimum and equal. It can be maximum or minimum depending upon the case to case. Minimum and unequal. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Please let me know. So maximum and equal, minimum and equal. See, give it a close look. At this point, it is minimum and equal. At this point, the cost would be minimum and equal. So B is the correct answer. Okay, B is the correct answer. So that is economic order quantity. So control of the stores. Now this is also very important topic, students, in the costing. Very important, students. I can explain this particular concept with a very practical example. So everybody in the Indian households, we use wheat flour. Classic example, we use wheat flour. Okay. So when at my house, right, let's say we have a container of 20 kg. We have a 20 kg container. Okay, the capacity is 20 kg. Whenever this much flour is left, we go to the market and we buy the 20 kg of wheat flour and we put it in this in this container. We don't buy 40 kg or 50 kg because we don't have space for that. We don't have that much storage capacity. Okay, so the same goes here. This is the same concept. When should we buy that 20 kg of wheat flour? When we should buy? So the similar concept is here. The minimum, this is the minimum stock level for us. This is the minimum stock level for us. Okay, you got the minimum stock level. And then as these are companies, they at a certain point of time, this is the reorder quantity. This is the reorder quantity. When the stock reaches this level, okay, the order is made. But in case of companies, the day you make the order, the supplier would take some time, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, whatever that is mentioned, right? So during that period, you are going to, use the resources. Okay. You are going to use the resources. So whenever the supply is made, now see, that's how the stock goes. Now you are spending, now you are using the stock. And once it reaches this point, you are again making a new order. So once it reaches you, the supplier reaches you, the supply reaches you. So once you got the supply, the stock goes like this. Now you're using the stock. Now at this point again, you are again making that a new order. So that is reorder level. This is the maximum stock level. This is the minimum stock level, and this is the buffer stock. This is the buffer stock. Okay. So very easy. Remember these formulas: maximum level, reorder level, plus reorder quantity minus minimum rate of consumption multiplied by minimum reorder quantity. Okay. To calculate the maximum level, what can be the maximum level? The maximum level can be reorder quantity. It can be reorder quantity plus reorder level plus reorder quantity. It can be the case. See, you make a new order here. It is possible that you get the supply at this point, okay, or maybe you get the supply at this point, or maybe you get the supply at this point. That is all possible. That is all possible, right? So minimum rate of consumption, and during that period your consumption is very low. So that is what we are assuming. The minimum rate of consumption multiplied by minimum reorder period. So that is the formula of maximum level. Similarly, the minimum level, reorder level, this is the reorder level minus normal rate of consumption multiplied by normal reorder period. So reorder level is equal to maximum usage multiplied by maximum lead time plus safety stock. Please remember these formulas. I have already explained the whole scenario here. The wheat flour example is a very classic example. You use wheat flour at home. You have a 20 kg container. You don't have 40 kg container or 50 kg container. You buy a 20 kg bag of wheat flour from the market. Whenever you feel like 2 or 3 kg of wheat flour is left, you go to market and you buy the wheat flour. So the same concept is applicable here. So reorder level. So how to calculate the reorder level? The simple formula, it is already given here. This watch out the simple formula. The simple formula I have already given here. The reorder level, please check it. The reorder level, maximum usage, consumption, maximum lead time plus safety stock. Plus safety stock का यहाँ पे दिया नहीं हुआ. But anyway, A is the correct answer. If it is not given, but anyway, safety stock होना चाहिए. Safety plus safety stock. This is the simple formula. Calculate the reorder level from the following. Consumption per week is given 100 to 200 units. Delivery period is given 14 to 28 days. Now you need to calculate the reorder level. So the reorder level, please check this formula. Maximum consumption is 200 units. Maximum delivery period is 28 days. So 200 multiplied by 28, you can easily find out 5600 is the correct answer. ABC analysis. So very, very important. This is the inventory control technique in which you divide your inventory into parts. You categorize your inventory. So let's say at the time of, let's say you are building a house. You are building a house. So cement is there. Cement is there. And then I would say sand is here. Cement, sand, and bricks, right? What is the most expensive here? So cement is most expensive, sand is cheapest, bricks are expensive but cheaper than cement, right? So you are categorizing it. So cement is A, bricks is B, sand is C. So what you can do is you can buy the sand on bulk. Okay, you can buy the sand on bulk because there is no, there is not high probability. There is no no probability of theft. Very low probability of theft. Nobody is going to, pick up your sand. Nobody is going to do that because it's very cheap, right? And even if somebody does that, you're not going to lose a big money. Cement is very expensive. Cement is an expensive when it comes to the real estates, right? When it comes to the construction cost. Bricks are expensive, but still you can, buy in bulk. Okay. There is some risk is there, but still nobody's gonna, there is lower probability of theft than cement, right? When you are constructing a house, you keep the cement indoors, right? You keep the sand and bricks outdoors, right? Are you getting it? Whenever you need the cement, right? That's how people purchase the cement. They buy 10 bags, 20 bags, 30 bags whenever they need. Bricks, they buy 1 truck. Sand, they don't even care. They are like, okay, send me a truck, send me 2 trucks. Okay. They are more careful about where to keep it. Okay. So that is what ABC analysis is. Okay. So you are very careful about the inventory management of the A category of raw material, less careful about B, and least careful about C. Okay. So inventory is classified into A, B, and C, while A being the lowest in quantity and highest in value. So C is the correct answer. Okay. Which of the following study is used to eliminate the wastefulness due to the unnecessary motion? So that is motion study. Motion study is a systematic way of determining the best method of doing a work by scrutinizing the motions made by a worker or the machine as per Gilbreth. It is a science of eliminating the wastefulness due to unnecessary motion. You are eliminating the wasteful activities. Okay, very, very important. Which of the following is a device to measure the worth of individual workers? So method study and fatigue study, obviously they are not correct. Either job evaluation or merit rating. I should explain both the concept. So job evaluation is about evaluating a job. Merit rating is about evaluating an individual, right? So job evaluating, you are isolating jobs and evaluating a job actually. Okay. I have already explained it in my class in the costing classes. You can just watch that. Merit rating, it's about individual. Job evaluation, it's about evaluation of a job. Okay. So job evaluation is a process and a technique of analyzing and assessment of jobs to determine the relative value within the firm. So job evaluation, as the name suggests, it is evaluation of a job. Merit rating is evaluation of individuals. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. If you like the session, you can join my complete SEBI Grade A 2020 course. I'm providing video classes, notes, test series for the, both phase 1, phase 2, downloadable and print friendly notes are there. Descriptive paper evaluation is also provided. We got 9 final selection in SEBI Grade A 2018. Join the course on BankExamsToday.com. List of students who cracked SEBI Grade A 2018 last year. In 2018 actually. So SEBI Grade A 2019, latest selections, Bank of Baroda, NABARD. All these students, they use their study material and they crack their respective exams. If there is any doubt in your mind, you can always ask your doubts in the super chats. So